आप देख रहे हैं एकरा उर्दू न्यूज़ में हूं हैदर अली। मोहम्मद स्पोर्टिंग क्लब के नए कोच की हैसियत से जिम्मेदारी संभालने कोलकाता एयरपोर्ट पहुंचे रशियन कोच एंड्री चेरनीशोव। एयरपोर्ट पर सेक्रेटरी और अहदेदार ने पुरजोर खैर मकदम किया।
Coach, how it feels to be here in India?
Yes, I am very happy now. I am here. I am in India. Very good weather, and I hope we'll start to training soon. And I am happy.
How excited are you being with Mohammedan Sporting?
Huh?
How excited are you to be a part of Mohammedan Sporting?
Yes, it's really. I am happy to be part of the big club Mohammedan because I know I heard many good things about this club. They have very strong supporters, and now I am happy. Now I wait when we start to work because I want to give my good things to players, to supporters, to people who is around the club. We will see how it's going, but in the moment I am happy.
What's your target for the upcoming season?
Look, first we start to make one strong team, and after step by step I want to come up, and I want to my team will strong, and we start to win games, championship, cup. This is like that. In the football you must to win something, not come just to work, you know. My style, start to win.